In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete contacts in Outlook, whether you need to remove one contact or clean up your entire contact list. This is a simple process that helps you keep your Outlook organized and up to date, making it easier to find the people you actually communicate with. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your Outlook account. Enter your email address and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Outlook inbox. From here, look at the navigation pane on the left side of your screen. This is where you'll find all your main Outlook features. Select the people icon in the navigation pane. This will take you to your contacts section where all your saved contacts are stored. You'll now see a list of all your contacts displayed on the screen. Browse through your contacts and select the contact you wish to remove. You can click directly on the contact to highlight it. Once you've selected the contact, you have two options to delete it. You can either click delete in the toolbar at the top of the screen, or you can right-click directly on the contact and choose delete from the drop-down menu. After clicking delete, Outlook will prompt you to confirm the deletion. This is an important safety feature to prevent accidental deletions. Review the confirmation message to make sure you're deleting the correct contact, then click confirm or OK to complete the deletion. The contact will now be permanently removed from your Outlook account. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a contact from Outlook. This process works the same way whether you're using Outlook on the web or the desktop application. If you need to delete multiple contacts, you can hold down the Control key on Windows or Command key on Mac while clicking multiple contacts, then delete them all at once. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.